Should I get?
Such a normal day in
Yeah,
the
bro,
company.
I haven't been mining in 10 days.
Cool
Stuff I can. Why am I using this? This is my seat. This is my seat. No. Top of you. Oh my god.
Okay, you can sit up there if you want. Oh no! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god!
Why are we fishing? What? Man, this is insane.
No, legendary fish, bro. Legendary fish.
Oh my god! Legendary fish. Fish! Oh my god, get in! Oh my god, keep fishing!
Yeah.
Keep fishing! Oh my god!
Oh.
Bro, keep on fishing!
Yo, we're so rich, bro.
We're gonna be rich! My dogs just had a fight. Oh,
Nobody
fight.
can.
I'm not gonna say anything about this.
Oh, let's see what I don't hope we get some
Yeah.
I'm not getting it.
No context.
I'm gonna go in a different server. This is kind of annoying. This is like insane.
I can't see. I can't see my fishing. Oh my god, and we're catching bombs. Oh my god, and we're catching bombs. Oh my god, and we're catching bombs.
Bro, go to the other. Go to the other pool. Go to the other pool. What is this pool? I think. Yeah, come on. Let's have to catch you. Yo, you're globbing. We're globbing. Guys, we will catch legendaries. We'll catch legendaries, don't worry. We'll catch some legendaries. I got an idea. I can't see. Let the parts out.